Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, we're told that we have a converging lens with a focal length of 7 centimeters. I'm going to go ahead and write F is equal to positive 7 centimeters because it's a converging lens. And it forms an image. And then the object is 4 millimeters tall. And I'll convert that to centimeters so we can say y is 0.400 centimeters. And the image is to the left of the lens. So that means that the image has a negative length. And so we can say, so we'll just kind of remember that. Real object. Oh, yeah. And then the image is 1.37. So we can say y prime is 1.30 centimeters. It's tall and erect. So we know it's positive. I guess it doesn't have to be tall. And then we want to know where the object and image is, and is it real or virtual? And if it's usually the object is to the left of a lens. So I'm just gonna, I'll answer the image. Is it image real or virtual? Because I'm not sure if I can assume that the object is to the left of the lens, which is sort of standard for these problems. So I'm just gonna kind of write down the equations and kind of hope that it pops out there. So here's our givens. And let's write down the relevant equation. The first one's going to be the thin lens one. So that's 1 over s plus 1 over s prime equals 1 over f. And keep in mind, we don't know what those are. So I guess we should put a question mark. And the other thing we know is that the magnification, we can say magnification is equal to y prime over y. And then that's equal to negative s prime over s. And so we can say that, so we basically have two unknowns here, again, s prime and s, but two equations, two unknowns. And if they're not secretly the same equation, we can solve for either. So I'm going to go ahead and do this algebraically first, but if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can just do it numeric, like plug in numbers. So I'm going to solve for s prime. And I'm going to say s prime is equal to minus s y prime divided by y, just by cross multiplying. And then I'll take that and plug that into this equation here. And so doing that, I get 1 over s plus 1 over s prime is going to be negative y over s y prime equals 1 over f. We can take out s, so 1 over s is equal to 1 minus y over y prime equals 1 over f. And then you can sort of cross multiply, so bring the s to this side and then the f to this side. And you get that s is equal to f times 1 minus y over y prime. And I'm going to go ahead and calculate that. Can I do these in my head? I wish I could. I don't think I can, though. So I'm going to pause the video while I do this calculation. Okay, I got 4.85 centimeters, and this is positive. And let's go ahead now and solve for s prime. So I got s prime is just going to be using this equation. It's minus 4.85 times 1.3 over 4. So plugging that into a calculator, I get that I'm just going to do this without pausing, 4.85 times 1.3 over 0.4. I got 15.8 centimeters minus 15.8 centimeters. Okay, so if the object comes out negative, the object position comes out negative, that means it's on the same side as the object, and we're told it's on the left, therefore the object is also on the left. So this is going to be to the left of the lens. And then this will also be by the left of the lens because that's what they told you. And what else do they want to know? And then, is it real or virtual? Kind of as they suspected, since the image has a negative length, it's virtual.